How to fix Telegram not receiving messages. If Telegram is not receiving messages, it can be frustrating, but let's get it sorted quickly. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause delays in receiving messages. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. If you are using Telegram on PC, check your router and ensure it's working properly. Next, make sure your Telegram app has permission to use mobile data or Wi-Fi. On Android, go to Settings, then tap on Apps, find Telegram here and tap on Data Uses. And ensure background data is allowed here. If you are using Telegram on PC, ensure your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking the app from accessing the internet. You can also try restarting the app or your device to resolve any temporary glitches that may be stopping messages from coming through. Let me know in the comments if this does not solve your video, and I'll help you with more troubleshooting ideas. After trying these fixes, your messages should come through without a problem and you will be able to receive all your chats again. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.